Welcome back to the IS Companion. In today's lecture, we will discuss federal system. 1. Introduction to government classification. Political scientists have classified governments into unitary and federal based on relations between national and regional entities. In a unitary government, all powers are vested in the national government, while in a federal government, powers are divided between national and regional governments by the Constitution. Two global examples of government models. Unitary governments include Britain, France, Japan, China, Italy, Belgium, Norway, Sweden, Spain, etc. Federal governments include the US, Switzerland, Australia, Canada, Russia, Brazil, Argentina, etc. 3. Comparative features of federal and unitary governments. In a federal system, there's a dual government, written constitution, division of powers, supremacy of constitution, rigid constitution, independent judiciary, and bicameral legislature. In contrast, a unitary government has a single government with varying characteristics such as the nature of the constitution, division of powers, and the structure of the legislature. 4. Formation of federations. Federations can form through integration or disintegration. Examples include the US formed through integration and Canada formed through disintegration. 5. Case studies. US and Canadian federations. The US, formed in 1787 after the American Revolution, comprises 50 states. Canada, formed in 1867, consists of 10 provinces and follows a federal model with a strong centralizing tendency. 6. Federalism in the Indian context. India adopted a federal system due to its large size and socio-cultural diversity. The Constitution emphasizes the union of states rather than federation of states and is based on the Canadian model with a strong centralizing tendency. 7. Federal features of the Indian Constitution. The Indian Constitution establishes a dual polity, a written constitution, division of powers, supremacy of constitution, rigid constitution, independent judiciary, and bicameral legislature. 8. Unitary features of the Indian Constitution. The Indian Constitution exhibits unitary features such as a strong center, limited autonomy for states, a single constitution, flexibility, centralized institutions, and parliamentary authority over state matters. 9. Critical evaluation of Indian federalism. Scholars have debated the federal character of the Indian Constitution, describing it as quasi-federal or extremely federal. Constitutional dynamics reflect a blend of federal and unitary features to balance national unity with regional autonomy. 10. Conclusion. Indian federalism balances unity with diversity and centralization with autonomy. Constitutional adaptability is crucial for sustaining democratic resilience and national unity in the face of diverse socio-political realities. Continued dialogue and adaptation are essential for the future of Indian federalism.